Hi everybody, David Lewis. You have got to be kidding me. I feel like each time I make one of these videos, I think that this one is more unbelievable than the last one. And at what point do they stop becoming more unbelievable? Well, this one, you have got to be kidding me. So about a month ago, I had a dealership reach out to us and ask us if we could have one of our F&I trainers fill in for 2 weeks, that he had a F&I manager going on vacation. So we quoted him a price and he agreed to do this. When my trainer got there, this store does about 200 cars a month. They have 3 F&I managers. He called me and said, David, this dealership is only doing about $1,600 per car in F&I, combined new and used. I said, okay, well, let's do what we do. So at the end of the 2 weeks, his per car average was $800 higher than the dealership average. Perfect. I said, let's go sit down with the dealer and let's sell him some training and captivate this money. And we looked at it and we did 200 units times at $800 was an additional $160,000 a month in F&I gross. $1.92 million per year in F&I gross. He wasn't interested. And here was his reason why. He doesn't believe in outside training. He believes that his managers should train, that his general sales manager and his general manager should train the F&I managers. But they're not. And they don't. And he wasn't interested. $1.92 million. His investment in training, $15,000, $20,000. That's a hell of a return. And we wonder why we're not making more money. Good luck, everyone.